Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to find the area enclosed by the two functions below, which are the functions f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals 4x minus 8. Let's first take a look at the graph of these two functions to help us visualize the area we're trying to find. So this is what the graph of the two functions looks like. And we're trying to find the area of the region shaded in red. Now, in order to determine the interval we are going to integrate over, we need to find the points of intersections of these two functions. And we can do this by setting the two functions equal to each other. So we set f of x equal to g of x, which means that x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 8. And this means that x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. And we get that x minus 2 times x minus 5 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to 2 or 5. And so the points of intersection are at x equals 2 and x equals 5. And from here, since g of x is greater than f of x, between x equals 2 and x equals 5, then we have that the area of the shaded region is equal to the definite integral from 2 to 5 of g of x minus f of x, which is equal to the definite integral from 2 to 5 of g of x, which is 4x minus 8, minus f of x, which is x squared minus 3x plus 2. And this is equal to the definite integral from 2 to 5 of the function for x minus 8 minus x squared plus 3x minus 2, which is equal to the integral from 2 to 5 of the function negative x squared plus 7x minus 10. And now applying the sum/difference rule and constant multiple rule, we get that this is equal to negative of the definite integral from 2 to 5 of x squared plus 7 times the integral from 2 to 5 of x minus 10 times the integral from 2 to 5 of x to the 0. And now we apply the reverse power rule and evaluate each of the definite integrals. So this gives us negative x cubed over 3 evaluated from 2 to 5 plus 7 times x squared over 2 from 2 to 5 minus 10 times x evaluated from 2 to 5, which gives us negative 125 over 3 minus 8 over 3 plus 7 times 25 over 2 minus 4 over 2 minus 10 times 5 minus 2, which is equal to negative 117 over 3 plus 147 over 2 minus 30. And this is equal to negative 234 over 6 plus 441 over 6 minus 180 over 6, which is equal to 27 over 6, which is equal to 9 over 2. So therefore, the area enclosed by the two functions is 9 over 2. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.